everyone, this is Julie. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. So our video for today is all about Ikea Pax Wardrobe. I just want to share with you guys what I've discovered about this Ikea planner thingy. Actually, Ikea does let you design your own wardrobe using Pax Planner. They don't do it in the Ikea app, so you have to go to their website using your laptop or computer to do your design. So that's what I'll be showing you. Hey guys, so now I'll be showing you how I did my design. And so I'm just gonna go to Ikea, their Ikea website, and then I'm just gonna search Pax Planner, and then it would show that one with a pencil, that one. So yeah, I'm just gonna go there, wait for it, and there you go. It says design your own, so just click that and there you have it. So you have that room there, or you have that room there. What you need to do is put your measurement or your room measurement. So for example, I'm gonna put mine. There are the frames in there. So it says as well the size and height of the frames that you need. So mine's 201 height and 58 centimeter depth, so that's where I'm gonna put it that way. This is just a sample, just to show you how I did mine, so it's a lot easier for you to do it or figure it out yourself. So what I put was 100 centimeter wide. So as simple as that, guys. And if you want to save it for later, you could easily save it later there. Just click that, and then when you go back, there's right, so we'll save it for later. There you go, there's the design code, and if you go back to that later on, you could just open a design and put your design code. So there you have it. I hope it helps, guys. If you're looking for a budget-friendly wardrobe, I think Ikea is the best place where you can get it. Me and my husband were supposed to be getting a wardrobe fitted, but then when I look online, it's quite pricey. Fitted wardrobe is double the price of that Ikea wardrobe. So yeah, I'm just so glad though that they let you design your own wardrobe. I love doing DIYs and stuff, so I said to my husband, why don't we just try Ikea first for the meantime and see how it turns out. this is the first part of this video, and on our second part I'll be showing you our dressing room and I'll be showing you my design. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any question, leave comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click to that red button and click that notification bell, so then you'll be notified for this part 2 of our video. And I'm actually excited to show you how the wardrobe turns out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the part 2. Bye!